Hello my dear students, today I am going to give you worksheet of class 4 science and syllabus for this worksheet is lesson number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So all of you listen carefully and learn it properly. Write down Divine International School class 4 subject science syllabus lesson 4 to 8 worksheet. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First, birds and reptiles breathe through dash. Answer is lungs. Second, animals need air for dash. Answer, breathing. Third, dash is a mixture of gases. Air. Air is a mixture of gases. Fourth is frogs and toads are called dash amphibians. Fifth is lotus and water lily are fixed aquatic plants. Now question number 2, write T for true and F for false. First is oil is a universal solvent. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा false क्योंकि water होता है universal solvent. Second is salt is obtained from river water. तो आंसर is false. Salt कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? sea water से मिलता है. Third is burning of garbage is necessary. तो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा false. Fourth is dirty air is also called polluted air. तो ये आंसर क्या हो जाएगा ट्रू. डर्टी एयर ही पॉल्यूटेड एयर कहलाती है. नाउ फिफ्थ इज व्हेन एयर गेट्स कूल्ड इट एक्सपेंड्स. तो ये आंसर फॉल्स आएगा क्योंकि जब एयर हॉट होती है तब एक्सपेंड होती है, कूल होने पे वो एक्सपेंड नहीं होती. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट, द components ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन आर ए solute, बी solvent, सी both of these or D none of these. The answer is both of these. Question number 2 is dash can be used to separate sand from water. A freezing, B melting, C filtration or D condensation. The right answer is filtration. Third is less polluting fuel is dash. A petrol, B coal, C diesel or D CNG. The right answer is CNG. Fourth is the particles are very loosely packed in A solids, B liquids, C gases and third D all of these. The right answer is C gases. Question number 5 is in sugar solution what water is the dash. A solute, B solvent, C solution or D insoluble substance. The right answer is solvent. Now question number 4a, name the following. First, the universal solvent. Answer आएगा water. Second, a way of separating soluble substances. That is evaporation. 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 Third is insects breathe through them. Answer is spiracles. Fourth is tiny living organisms present in air that often cause diseases. The answer is germs. Okay. Now fifth is animals that live in water is aquatic animals. Sixth is moving air is known as wind. Seventh is a solute and a solvent together form this. Answer is solution. Now B, question number B, give two examples of the following. First is immiscible liquids. तो immiscible liquids में water and oil एक होगा और दूसरा होगा वाटर एंड पेट्रोल. सेकेंड इज इनसॉल्युबल सब्सटेंसेस, उसमें चॉक और सैंड. थर्ड इज मिसिबल सब्सटेंसेस क्या होंगे? वाटर एंड अल्कोहल और मिल्क एंड वाटर. फोर्थ इज सब्सटेंसेस दैट कैन बी सेपरेटेड थ्रू फिल्ट्रेशन. तो इसमें आएगा सैंड एंड वाटर और चॉक एंड वाटर, दोनों ही लिखना है आपको, ठीक है. फिफ्थ इज कॉम्पोनेंट्स ऑफ एयर, स्मोक और डस्ट. सिक्स्थ टू सॉल्यूट, सॉल्ट एंड शुगर. नाउ मैच द कॉलम. फर्स्ट काउ, काउ का आंसर आएगा डी. डी कौन सा है? हर्बीवोर. सी सेकेंड है बियर, बियर का आंसर आएगा सी, ओमनीवोर. थर्ड वेल, वेल का आंसर आएगा ए, एक्वेटिक एनिमल. फोर्थ है टाइगर, टाइगर का आंसर आएगा बी, टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल. फिफ्थ टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट, इसका आएगा नीम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस. First, name a gas that can dissolve in water. Answer is carbon dioxide gas dissolves in water. Second, name a method used to separate sugar from sugar solution. Answer is sugar is soluble substance in water, so it is separated by evaporation method. Now question number 3 is define air pollution. Answer is the addition of harmful and undesirable substances to the air as a result of human activities is called air pollution. Fourth is what are the components of air? Answer is air contains many things such as gases, water, vapor, smoke, dust particles and germs. Question number 5 is what is a germ? The answer is germs are tiny living organisms that can cause diseases. Now sixth is define habitat. Answer आएगा the place where a living organism lives in nature is called its habitat. Seventh is define adaptation. तो आंसर आ जाएगा features that help a plant or an animal to survive in its natural surroundings are called adaptation. Now long answer type questions. First is air supports burning. Elaborate this with an example. तो आंसर लिखेंगे when we light a candle and cover it with a glass jar, it goes off after some time. This is because the glass jar does not contain enough air to keep the candle burning for long. This suggests that air supports burning. Now question number 2 is explain the term solute, solvent and solution with the help of an example. Answer solute. It is the substance that dissolves in solvent. Now second is solvent. Solvent, the substance in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. Solution. Solution is a solute and a solvent together form a solution is called solution. Example आ जाएगा salt solution. Now third is differentiate between soluble and insoluble substances. तो soluble substances में आपको लिखना है first point soluble substances are those substances that dissolve completely in a liquid to form a solution. Example आ जाएगा sugar in water और salt in water. Insoluble substances में क्या होगा? Substances that are insoluble substances are those substances that do not dissolve in a liquid. इसमें एग्जाम्पल आ जाएगा सैंड इन वाटर और वैक्स इन वाटर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन इंसेक्टिवोरस प्लांट्स. आंसर इज प्लांट्स दैट फीड ऑन इंसेक्ट्स आर कॉल्ड इंसेक्टिवोरस प्लांट्स. द वीनस फ्लाईट्रैप एंड पिचर प्लांट आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ insectivorous plants. Their leaves are modified to trap insects. Example pitcher plant. Now question number 8 is define. First is miscible liquids. In define में आएगा when two liquids mix together such that they dissolve completely in each other they are called miscible liquids. Example आ जाएगा alcohol and water. Second is breeze. Breeze क्या होता है? A gentle wind is called a breeze. Now third is matter. Any substance that occupies a space and has mass is called matter. Fourth is blubber. Blubber का आएगा animals such as penguins have a thick layer of fat called blubber under the skin. Fifth is arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are those animals that live mostly on trees. Example monkey, lemur and bird. Sixth is hibernation. Some hibernation में आएगा some animals such as hedgehogs become inactive and go into a long sleep-like state until winter is over. This inactivity shown by some animals during winter month is called hibernation. So this is your worksheet.